Hey guys, so today I'm back with another Boxycharm video. Today is October. It's the middle of October, so I've got my Boxycharm. I picked it up today. Sorry, I got really confused for a second because I was looking at myself on the screen and it looked like it was upside down, but it's back to front. Anyway, it's time to unpackage this. Yeah, I'm excited. So inside the box is the thing with the all of the different products on, and then it's also got like a competition down here, and it also has something about Boxycharm 2.0 I haven't heard about, but apparently there's like different features of that one. Anyway, I'm going to go through what's in my box this month. So the first thing I'm seeing is, if it focuses, from Elemis, which is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing prebiotic green mask, advanced skincare. This says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin, vegan and cruelty free. And that mark retails for $35. And again, as I said last month, like Boxycharm's like $20 a month, so that's really good. Also, I've been wanting to try out another like face mask because I haven't got any here, so I should be trying this out this week. Last month I actually posted like my thoughts on all the products on my blog, which is linked down below, so if you want to know what I thought of last month's products now that I've tested them, go and read that blog post. And I'm going to do the same for this month as well, just because it's easier to write a blog post about what I thought than doing like another video, because otherwise I'm going to be overloading you with Boxycharm content. So the next thing I'm seeing is, okay, it's not focusing, but the next thing is this lip gloss from Iconic London, which says Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. And this is $26 retail price. It's actually a really pretty color. I'm like really into nude colors. Hang on. Like that wasn't meant to open like that. I really feel like this isn't, I don't think that's meant to open like that. Can you see this? I'm confused. That's like far too messy. Okay, hang on. I'm really not sure that it's meant to open like that. That's really weird. You know, like normally lip glosses have like a thing on the end that like you pull the lip gloss out of. I think this is broken. You know, normally there's like a little thing that when you pull the lip gloss out, there's like a bit of like tension, so it pulls like loads of the product off. I think I'm gonna have a look, but I think that's not working in this, which is a shame, but I'm gonna see, because it might just be me being weird. But it is a really pretty color, which is like definitely a me color, and it's definitely, oh, you can feel it's definitely like a plumping lip gloss, because I can feel it feels like mint basically. Okay, the next product I'm picking out is this, which is an Illuminati cosmetic sponge, an edgeless reusable high definition cosmetic sponge applicator. I always use makeup sponges to put my makeup on, so having another one is not a bad thing. It feels good quality. I'm gonna save that for the next time I need a new one. I don't like to like get multiple ones dirty at once. I just keep going until I need to get a new one. And that retail price is $21. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is this, which is the Touch in Soul Glassy Skin Balm. The packaging for this is so pretty. Like, look at the like colors, the iridescence on that. Oh, and then this is the packaging inside. It opens up like this. It smells super nice as well. It smells like I can't remember which cream it is, but there's a cream from Estee Lauder and it smells like this, or that smells like this, smells like that even, because I had that before this, if that makes sense. So it says that this is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this retail is $32. Okay, and then the final thing is this palette, which is the Marvelous Mauves palette from Dose of Colors. And I haven't tried any of their stuff before, but it says that this retails for $32. Look how pretty the packaging is. I'm such a fan of pretty packaging. I mean, it's not really focusing. I'm a fan of pretty packaging. Oh, okay, the colors in this are so pretty. Look at that. I don't really have any mauve colors either, so like that's gonna be good to try it out. And then it also comes with teensy little double-ended brush, which I wouldn't do a whole makeup look with that, but you know, that's cute to have. I'm gonna swatch some of these. That's like super pretty. Like, look at these shades. They all swatched really nice. Like, they're not like, the lighter shades aren't the most pigmented things I've ever seen, but these are really good. And now I've got like pigmenty fingers. Does anyone else keep their like makeup products in the box for like the first week that they own them? Because that's just me. Okay, so that was everything that was in my Boxycharm this month. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. I know that people get different eye products in their different Boxycharms, so if you got different products this month, let me know what you got. I think some people got like the Iconic London sprays rather than the... I'm convinced this lip gloss is broken. Like, it just shouldn't look... Yeah, I'm convinced it's broken. Anyway, I will see you in my next video, and make sure you head over to my blog to see what I thought of last month's Boxycharm products.